Hi everybody and welcome to TrueWants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now in this video we are going to be doing a scroll through. I just finished a really long video earlier this morning to help us out in reference to some reviews on the products that are going to be offered to us. So if you missed out on that video, I will try to link it down below, but I wanted to go in because now this is open. I haven't gone in it yet for myself. We're going to go in it together. I'll show you how I shop this sale, and then we'll be able to give a quick overview on everything that is being offered. For a lot of our seasonals, this is their sneak peek on this, but if you are annual, you'll be able to go into the add-ons today. And then of course tomorrow is customization day, which again I will sit down and film for you guys as well. So let's go into this all. Well, I'll show you how this all works. We'll go into the screen where you'll be able to see everything, exactly where you need to go and see all that, and how other ways that I have learned throughout the years of how to not miss out at the end if it is sold out. Not to worry, a lot of times it does pop back, and we'll go through all of that in this video as well. So if you were looking for a channel that was more informative, where we share information, we deep dive more into the products, the brands, the deals, and of course the spoilers on the subscription boxes that I'm enjoying, and hopefully you are too, then I hope you'll be part of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing. It's free, it's easy, but I don't want to do this alone. I have you guys being part of the journey, which makes this a really great place to be, because we share a lot of information with each other and we listen to each other's experiences, not only with the companies that we choose to do business with, but also learning a little bit more about the products, the brands, and always sharing about those deals. So if that sounds great to you, like I said, please be part of the growth. Hit that subscribe button and you're in. It's free, it's easy. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoy the content, and then of course the new hype feature that if you have access to it, please use it here for TrueWants. It will push the video out supposedly quicker and reach others that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't met TrueWants just yet. So thank you for being an active part of the channel, as well as being part of the growth of it. The last part that I'm going to share here is we are a channel that shares information. So your voice needs to be heard in the comment section down below if you've had the opportunity to use any of the products and ones that you would recommend as well. All right, so I'm going to pause the video here for just 1 sec. We're going to get into that screen where I can show you everything, exactly how it looks as a paying customer. So when you get on the home page, it tells you annual access perks are now open. You get access to the add-ons now, and they stay open through all of customization. That starts tomorrow on the 17th at 9 a.m. PT time. So I'm in the East Coast, so for me it starts at 12 noon. Both perks will close on the 21st at 11:59 PT. All right, that's Pacific time. All right, so once you click on that here, you're going to get a screen that's going to come up, that should have come up, that would tell you how this works. So most important part to know about this is there is no checkout required. Everything that is in your cart will automatically be billed on April the 23rd. If you shop the sale, everything you select will display in your cart shop until the 21st at 11:59 PT. They're saying the strike-through price, or the competitive price value, lets you compare their sale price with or other brands' previous prices. That is what they call the manufacturer's suggested retail price on all estimates of prices for comparable items. They're saying get excited, your order will generally ship within 30 days of successful billing, but remember, add-ons always ship with your box. All right, so when you go in, the first screen that's going to come up here is the screen that they want us to look at immediately right out of the gate. But remember, on the top here, you can shop how you want. So you can shop all, which is, we're going to do a quick scroll through there. They also have a time clock, which is a good reminder of when this is going to click off. And then everything, like they mentioned, there is no checkout. So if it's in your box, and I've seen too many unboxings of people that forgot to check out, so it's always really, really important, because everybody very aggressively at the beginning of a sale goes in, and then if you don't go in to take it out of your cart, it will be in your box when it arrives. The FFF picks, we went through all of that yesterday. There should be some more products in there, but we will look through all of that in just a sec. But this is how you can shop. You could also shop just by new arrivals. You could shop by the boxes, bundles, beauty, skincare, fashion, home, entertainment, food and beverage, wellness, fitness, electronics, and pets. And then they break it down even more from there. We will definitely go into a couple of these, so we'll be able to look at it, because like I said, I haven't gone in for myself just yet. I wanted to make sure that everything on screen that was available that you would be able to see. So right away, this is in the shop all screen. You also have on the section here that you can shop by brand as well. So a lot of people, if you know something right away, a brand that you want to see if something is on sale from that brand, do it that way, and then you'll be able to shop a little more leisurely as you go through it. They also have the new mom box, which I shared with you. We went through all of that as well. I did a spoiler on that when I had the opportunity to share with you what was inside of that. But this, I'm just going to scroll through so you could see what is on the first page under the shop all. All right. So that is the little sneak peek of that. And as you can see, they also do this here where they have the hosting edit. So it's sometimes if you don't want to sign up for a separate subscription, you'll be able to get it at the seasonal price at $79.99, but it will still be usually less expensive to do it that way if these were all going to be second choice items. All right, keep that in mind as well. So now we're just going to scroll through quickly each one of the categories so you can see the FabFitFun picks. A lot of these we could have already shared on the channel. That is the advent calendar that I shared with you, which we already went through on the channel. But this is what they are considering the ones that they would choose to boost your box. And that is just a little bit of the scroll through in reference to the under the FabFitFun pick category. All right. Now we're going to get into the new arrivals. And as you can see, a majority of the products will be similar too, because a lot of these are new arrivals. But you can see the range of products that they have are just absolutely amazing. That's why I'm so happy they also decided to do the box of the month for just beauty, because they always had so much beauty and I was spending a lot of my extra dollars on that. So now with the beauty box, I'm kind of hesitant to put products in that are. They also have a lot of these subscribe to save that I've shared with you in other videos that are just amazing, because that is a product that I would want to have every season. That's what you would want, and you would want to lock it in at a great price. That product in particular is one of my favorites from Elemis, and if I wasn't doing a channel and getting so many different boxes and all of that, and FabFitFun was my only box, this subscribe and save I think is a fantastic category to use. Then you have the bundles. The bundle section is always a lot of fun for me. That is usually where I feel we get the best bang for our buck in reference to that. So I love being able to share that with you and show you some of the bundles that are going to be available. And like I said, this is where you really need to sit back and go through everything very slowly, because they have so much to offer. It could be a little overwhelming. They also have mystery bundles that I know a lot of channels choose to do that. I tried it once many years ago. It was not for me. I felt that the products that were in there were ones I was never going to use. It just was not for me. So, but if you like a little surprise and you like to have fun, I think these are great little ways, especially when two channels do it against each other. I think it is a lot of fun to see who got the better bundle. I think those are a lot of fun to watch, but that is the information there. And then they also have some surprise categories where every month you would get, if you can join it for usually mascara or lipsticks, they have those type also that are surprises. But that is at a really good price, where every month you would, every season you would get a new lipstick or a new mascara. I think that's a nice little feature as well. Now we're in the beauty section, and usually when you click on this, it used to break it down. Now I guess it's on the side panel here. So you could break it down by skincare, you could break it down to bath and body, nails, hair, and makeup. So I'm just going to scroll at the beginning so you guys can see if you're just shopping for all. But for me personally, what I like to do is I like to shop by makeup. So I'm going to click on here first for the makeup. And then just to be able to show you, because I know a lot of my channel, they focus a lot on this as well. So here is the section where you see best selling. If you click on this and go a little lower, you will then be able to choose by best discount. You could choose price low to high, which is how I like to shop and stay in, and also by top rated and favorite or high to low. So I like to switch it up to low to high so I can see the least expensive items right at the top. And then you'll see all of the brands here that are so amazing, the brands that are here. But also, if you want to shop specifically by brand, you have that option here as well. Now, if you get to a section that says it is sold out, you'll be able to see a little heart that is right beside it. So on here, let's say this Kosas, the Mini Reveal Concealer, this is going to be in shade 8.7. 8.7 is a really deep tone. If you're not sure, always go to the website of the brand. But if this is something that I wanted, what I would do is and it was sold out, it said sold out, I would click on this little heart on the bottom here and you'll see that it turns red. So after I finish all my scrolling, and tomorrow I'll go in, I can go into the section that just is for what they call my favorites section. And then once you do that, all that will show up in that little, you won't have to scroll through everything again to see if it came back in stock. It will show that it pops back in. And that is a great way to be able to double check if something is sold out. Because like I said, everybody very aggressively goes in right at the beginning. They get very excited and they put everything in their cart. And then little by little, when it gets closer to when things have to either be taken out of your cart or you're going to be billed for it automatically, you will then see that things will pop back in. So don't fret right at the beginning of the sale if all of a sudden so many of the things are sold out. It is simply because everybody gets very, very excited, and that's how it goes. So I just want to scroll slowly enough that you guys can see what is available here and what the pricing is. I love that they also give a percentage of what they feel is off the suggested retail prices there as well. But as you can see, you've got Danessa Merrick's, you've got Laura Geller, you've got Laura Mercier, you've got so many fantastic, fantastic brands in here just with beauty alone. And I think we're going to see more and more because of the beauty lineup that they now have because of the monthly beauty boxes, where before I felt the beauty section wasn't that big, and especially with makeup in FabFitFun. But now I feel that we're seeing more and more amazing brands like Ilia and Goop and so many fantastic, fantastic brands. So that is the little scroll through that I wanted to share with you in today's video. Just a really, really quick one, but you could see here also all the items that are already out of stock. Whoops. But when you see here that are out of stock, any of these, that's where you would put that little heart if this is something that you wanted. So don't fret. It will probably pop back in. I know for me, my experience with it popping back in has been more successful than not. And if things start going blank like this, it just means everybody's on the site at the same time. So give it a little bit of a rest and you will see that everything will pop back in. Again, that section that if I put that heart in that area, this is where I would go afterwards to double check if it was back in, where you're seeing the word here is my favorites. And that is everything that I have to share with you in reference to the add-ons. Like I said, I will sit back, I will relax, I will go through it slowly. Nothing is do or die for me. Like I always say, I have more wants than needs, but be careful because there is no checkout. I can't say that often enough. So everything in your cart will automatically be billed on April 23rd, even though the cart will close on the 21st at just before midnight at Pacific time. So keep that in mind as well. And then the next FabFitFun video will be our customization of our boxes. So I'll be sharing that with you tomorrow. I will be going in at 12 noon. I'll make my selections and my additional choices, and then I'll go through all of that quickly so that I can sit down and film right away so I can share that with you, because I'll film it right after I made those customization choices, because with FabFitFun, I can do that. Where with Ipsy, I always show you everything first before I go in and make my choices. But with FabFitFun, because it stays open, I can make my selections and then be able to film right after. And that's it for this one, guys. So remember, there's another fantastic video that I just did. I do very unique videos also on my channel because as a paying customer, I'm always looking for more information. And when I find it, I always want to be able to share it, because I always say, as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too, so that you could be in the know together. And the word, if you've watched this all the way to the end, is going to be scroll. SCROLL, because that's all I did was I scrolled through to show you how to and how I stay in budget, and then be able to share with you a little bit of how the FabFitFun add-ons work. All right, as always, I look forward to seeing you in the comments, where if there is something that you're picking up that you want to make sure all of us want to experience it as well, please take the time to share that in the comments down below. Or if you see that the price is better on a different shop through our subscriptions, share that as well, because that's important to note as well. All right, and that's it for this one, guys. So everybody, continue to stay safe and well. Happy shopping, everybody, and I'll see you all soon in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.